let me ask you a question. Are you a breastfeeding mama looking to lose the baby weight all without losing your milk supply? Are you wanting a simpler way to achieve the keto diet while breastfeeding? Are you wanting to stop feeling frustrated every time you get dressed in the morning? If you answer yes to any of these questions, the Keto Breastfeeding Method is for you. With the Keto Breastfeeding Method, you get a game plan designed just for you and your body while breastfeeding, so you don't have to second guess how to safely start the keto diet while breastfeeding, and so that you don't lose your supply. Isn't that amazing? Alright, so what is the Keto Breastfeeding Method? The Keto Breastfeeding Method is an entire weight loss method designed just for breastfeeding mamas, put together in a step-by-step program. It starts with learning the most important steps to doing the keto diet safely. Then I'll give you a personalized game plan and macros designed just for you and your body. Inside the Keto Breastfeeding Method, we work together daily to make sure that you're feeling great and that your milk supply is doing great. Also inside the program, you get access to monthly coaching calls where you'll be able to talk directly with me and ask any questions that you have along the way. Also inside the Keto Breastfeeding Method, it contains my client-only private Facebook group where no questions are off limits. And this is where I do nightly check-ins with you. This is where you get the one-on-one support, the accountability to make sure that you succeed. There's really no program out there like this. So who is the Keto Breastfeeding Method for? It's for breastfeeding mamas who really are ready to start losing their baby weight and want to do it all without risking their milk supply. Mamas who are really ready to make a commitment. Mamas who are ready to get back into those pre-baby jeans, start boosting their confidence, and are ready for some epic mom energy. All mamas need that, am I right? So let me quickly show you what's inside the Keto Breastfeeding Method. Alright, here we are inside the membership site. This is where you get access to all the great content. Down below is a video for me. This is what you'll see. I'll tell you exactly how to do the keto diet safely and the right way of doing it. We go over what the keto diet is, the right foods to eat while doing keto and breastfeeding, also how your body feels in ketosis, testing ketones, the keto flus, craving and troubleshooting, working out, sleep and stress, and keto on the go, and moving forward. You get a step-by-step, week-by-week audio guide, which lays out everything that you need to do, step-by-step, week-by-week, to do keto safely and to lose a baby weight. You'll get everything you need to know. Don't worry, these lessons are not too long because I know how busy mom life can be. Also inside this membership site, you get access to so many amazing resources like meal plans, shopping lists, easy list of foods to grab and snacks, keto lactation recipes, and so much more. And you can see them right here. So you will get access to all this great content, but I wanted to make sure you had absolutely everything. And the number one thing most mamas tell me that they need is support and it's accountability, right? So that is why I include the private-only Facebook group and the monthly coaching calls. Let me quick show you in there. Alright, I created this Facebook group for accountability and support. Inside this Facebook group, I do nightly check-ins where I can check your food logs, go over your macros, and see how your milk supply is doing. Inside this Facebook group, you also get to ask questions at any time and get them answered by me or any other mamas going throughout the program. Also inside this group is where I host the monthly coaching calls. On these calls, it's like a mini personalized session where you and I can chat, and I'll help you with whatever you need. Of course, if your question or concern is super personal, then you can address them privately at any time of the program through Facebook Messenger or email. If you can't attend these calls, don't worry. You can still submit your questions ahead of time and I'll answer them on your call for you. Okay, so I showed you the Facebook group and I showed you the membership site, but something I can't show you that's inside the program, and which is the best part. Once you join the program, you'll get personalized macros and a personalized game plan to starting, which is the most important part of the whole program, making sure that your supply doesn't dip. Inside the Keto Breastfeeding Method, you get to take action, you get coaching, and you get accountability. From the time you hit purchase, you're no longer on your own. Because when someone joins my program, I'm invested. I will match whatever energy you bring to the table, and I will run with you every step of the way. Alright, so let's quickly recap. You will get the complete Keto Breastfeeding Method program, access to the monthly coaching calls and the private Facebook group, and all the other amazing resources. You will also get those personalized macros and a personalized game plan to starting so your supply doesn't dip. You also get full access to me, to give you support, to give you accountability, and most importantly, to make sure that your supply doesn't dip. Alright, now that you've seen inside the Keto Breastfeeding Method, I'm going to ask you another question. If the Keto Breastfeeding Method meant that you never had to worry about your milk supply again and that you can finally get rid of the baby weight, would that be worth it? That you can get your confidence back again, would that be worth it? Or that you can nourish you and your babe the best way possible with a keto diet, would that be worth it? So if you had answered yes to any of these questions and feel like the Keto Breastfeeding Method is the next best step for you, then you could get access for that starting with just one payment of $133, followed by 2 additional payments. Or there's a pay in full option. Isn't that a relief that you can get started today with just $133 and start losing the baby weight once and for all? Now, if you still have any questions about the keto breastfeeding method, I'd love to chat with you. Send me a message or click the blue icon on the side so you can talk directly with me. And if you are ready to enroll in the keto breastfeeding method, just hit the button below. I can't wait to get to know you and help you get to your weight loss goals.